Humans, the ever-adaptive and engineering species. Adolf Hitler, born April 20th, 1889, will always be known as a monster and a dictator. His actions of genocide and war have had repercussions affecting even today. What were some of the technologies developed during his lifetime and through his actions, you might ask? Well, Fat Man and Little Boy are just one. So, how can we, in good conscience, continue the work that he did by making designer babies? People should not have the right to genetically modify their offspring.
Germline cells are the building blocks of human embryos and sperm. By making sure they stayed unmodified, you will not pass on those genes to future generations. The problem is that there's a huge lack of knowledge in this field. How do we know that modifying humans is not the second coming of Hiroshima, and that one human could spread modification or mutation like the AIDS virus throughout our human population? The fact is that scientists can attempt to modify humans with the best of intent, but that they do not know what the outcome may bring is terrifying, and will literally take a generation of observation to better understand.
Stopping the development of designer babies is the only option to ensure natural evolution. We're not opposed to controlled research or to try to understand the inner workings of the human genome, but to use this technology now is to ask for the worst possible outcome.
We've told you about the potential negative effects of this type of research. If we don't stop this type of Wild West experimentation, then there's a real possibility that future generations will be impacted. Who knows how? But it is an eventuality. Do we want to roll the dice on our future potential evolution? Unforeseen genetic changes can bring a global impact. What if we lose some of the essential immunities for survival? Is that something we're willing to risk for ourselves or for our children? In conclusion, more research should be done. Medical research has led to the development of many cures to several diseases and infections without long-term modification. We can have success within boundaries that are safe for society. Right now, we know that we have immunities to several deadly diseases and infections. Do we want to jeopardize what has taken humanity thousands of years to adapt just because Hitler wants more blonde-haired, blue-eyed babies?
Thank you.